Today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about tour pack liners. There's a couple of different styles that you can put into these tour packs, and if you caught my video last week, I showed you how to install a detachable tour pack on your Harley Davidson. We looked at and compared the pricing and what you get for 3 different types of tour packs, and I gave you a solution as to how to have one key for your tour pack, your saddlebags, and your ignition. Guys, my name is Rick, and this is the HDVIBE channel, and in today's video, we're going to be comparing a basic tour pack liner to a luxury premium tour pack liner. And we'll get into it right after this. That's right, guys. You can go with a basic liner like this that comes with a lot of the Amazon tour packs, or you can buy it from Harley Davidson for about $90. Or you can go with a luxury version, which I talked about in last week's video as well. And this is a version from Hogworkz. Obviously a leather type material, quilted, custom stitched, a lot of different colors. And what I'm going to do today is install this and let you guys take a look at this as compared to the basic liner on my new Chopped tour pack that I have on the Road Glide Special. So let's start off with this basic one. This is kind of a formed felt liner that you get stock if you have a Harley Davidson Ultra or a Limited that comes with the tour pack, or you can purchase this separately from Harley Davidson, like I said, for about $90. Or you do get something similar to this if you order an Amazon type tour pack. So it's pretty simple. This just pops in and there you have it. I mean, it's not bad. It's nice felt, and it fits in there, but it's not secured in any manner. And obviously you don't get anything for the top. So what I'm going to do now is show you the Hogworkz version, install that. So by contrast, as you can see, this Hogworkz version, a leather type material that's waterproof and is quilted, custom stitched, obviously fitted for the tour pack. It does have some pockets right here on the sides and one in the back that you can slide things in. Custom stitch in whatever color you select, a lot of different colors. I went with the red to match the billiard red of the bike. And then it has these Velcro fasteners that we will stick to the side of the tour pack and get this thing installed. So I've already cleaned up the bottom of the tour pack so that there's no dirt or dust in here. You just slide this in, get it fitted down in the bottom. And then you kind of just go around peeling off the double-sided Velcro, making sure that you get this lined up, and then just press that in place and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds to make sure that that sticks well. And then you just repeat going around the rest of the tour pack. Then once you get all that Velcro on, then you can kind of go back and adjust these Velcro tabs as you see fit so that you get a nice clean line going around the tour pack. And then you want to just make sure that everything closes well. And as you can see, we're in good shape there. So now we're ready to move on to the top. So the installation process for the lid liner is pretty much the same, except as you can see, we have the tether that's running down here. So in order to get that through this opening in the liner, we'll need to remove the tether off here, slip it through here, and then we'll be able to get this lined up. It's basically just 2 Phillips screws in this case. We're going to take those off, so then we can slip the tether through the hole in the liner and get this all lined up for the top. So since the liner is actually going to be hanging from the top, what I'm going to do is actually put some of these supplied Velcro strips right about here, so that I can have the middle of that liner not sagging on me when the tour pack is actually closed. So we'll apply those like that, just take off the backing, and there's no magic to this, just get it pressed in place. like so. And we'll put one more strip right here, and that should be plenty to hold the Tour Pack liner in the top. So I've got my double-sided Velcro on here, so I'll just peel this off, and then those will be ready for sticking onto the top of the liner. Now I'm ready to stick the top liner in, so we're going to go ahead and get it lined up as best we can, pushing it in here. So we've got that lined up. Now we'll pull this tether through. And then now that'll be ready to reattach. Now we just have to make sure we've got this seated on the top of the Tour Pack lid. And then where I put those two Velcro strips, just push that in place to make sure that that sticks. And then we'll go around like we did on the bottom, remove these tape covers, stick that into the Tour Pack lid. So before I start sticking the Velcro around the edges of the Tour Pack lid, I went ahead and reattached the tether here, just so it gives me some security so that this thing doesn't fall all the way back and spring on me. So now we're ready to go ahead and start putting this Velcro around the edges. So again, just make sure you have this pushed into place and begin peeling off the tape. Start in one section and work your way around. And now that I've got everything installed and all the Velcro stuck, one more test to make sure that everything closes well. And as you can see, we're all good. So that's it, guys. Two different types of Tour Pack liners. The basic felt formed one that'll cost you about $90 from Harley Davidson. Or you can go with this really cool custom stitched top and bottom Tour Pack liner by Hogworkz. A little bit more expensive, quick and easy install, but it really adds a nice luxury custom feel to the inside of that Tour Pack. Guys, if you like this type of content, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this liner. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And when you do subscribe, please leave a comment down below saying I subscribe so I can personally reach out and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, share this with your friends. And with that, guys, I'm going to leave you with this. Life is short. Get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.